Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus version 2018 year. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. This we have key for SIM slot, guarantee papers and quick guide. Device, look him later. And this we have adapter for micro USB to USB Type-C, USB Type-C cable, adapter for charging, quick guide, quick charging, adaptive fast charging, and headphones. Good completion with headphones and adapter. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side we have 6-inch display, double front camera, LED indicator, sensors and talk speaker. On the back side camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. Upside SIM slot. Downside micro USB Type-C port and headphones jack. Left side wall keys and slot for 1 nano SIM card. This slot for first nano SIM card, this slot for second nano SIM card, and micro SD card for memory. And on the right side we have power key and speaker. Okay. Turn on device. Device protected standard IP68. Open settings. About phone, version Android 7.1.1, Samsung Experience 8.5, version Knox 2.9. Close this and open Geekbench 4, talk about system information. So, processor Samsung Exynos 7885, GPU Mali G71, processor octa-core, 6 cores and 2 cores 2.2 GHz and 6 cores 1.6 GHz. Mali J78, resolution and display PPI. Look, CPU test results and GPU test results. RAM memory 32 GB, RAM memory 4 GB, internal memory 32 GB. Okay. Open Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, screen test, multi-touch test, 10 touches support display, display Super AMOLED. Open Guitar San Andreas, demanded game. Graphic Max and resume game. Game load and game lags on the max graphic level. You can see this works bad. Turn on graphics on default level, resume, and the game on the default level works very good without lags and glitches. We can play on this level. Okay, close this and open camera. Front camera, double camera 16 plus 8 megapixels and main camera 16 megapixels. And now I show you photos on main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.